Alrighty folks, this year it's just going to be a quick little video. We've got us one of these easy flow fertilizer injectors. Gonna hook it up right now, set it up right now I should say. The green and blue, it matches up here with these here. There's the green for the out, blue for going in. You'll use the clear tubing for the one coming out. That way your fertilizer, most of the time it'll be colored anyway. That's whether you're using fish emulsion or Miracle Grow. If you do use a fertilizer that does not have a color to it, put a little bit of food coloring inside with your fertilizer. That way you can tell, looking at this clear line, once the water goes clear, you know you've used all the fertilizer and you can turn it off. It comes with these two valves. What you do, you'll cut off a little piece, stick it in, and you put the valves in there like that. Then you can turn them off to bypass it. About as simple as that there. We're going to just cut everything pretty close to the same. Alrighty. Good tight fit. Now, the dark will be on the inside. You just push him in like that there, and it'll give you directions. Now, we'll do the same thing. This here. Ready? Let's see. Now, take this. Just push them in. It'll lock right in there. Now, just follow your color coding. Green to green. Black line. Alrighty. It's hooked up there now. So all you gotta do is hook this up to your faucet. You'd put this in, hook this up to your faucet up there, come on out with your drip line right here, and it'll pump fertilize. Whatever you want through there, it has in here in the directions your rate usage and everything. We'll let you know later on how it works. Alright folks, we're going to try out this easy flow fertilizer injector. We're going to run it into our drip line for the tomatoes and peppers. I've mixed up some of the fertilizer. It's Master Blend. Alrighty, let's see if it'll work. Tighten it down good. Make sure that's over. Turn our line on. It's on fast. I didn't have it plumb filled up, so it's having to fill this up with water to get the air out. We put some food coloring in there to where we could see, and yeah, it's blending in with the water there going down into the drip tape.